What's the meaning of customary measure? Customary measure. Customary measure.
Customary measure. Customary measure. Customary measure, also known as imperial measure, is a system of measurement that was traditionally used in the United Kingdom and its former colonies, including the United States. This system includes units such as inches, feet, yards, miles, ounces, pints, quarts, and gallons, among others. Today, many countries have adopted the metric system as their primary form of measurement, but some still use customary measure for certain purposes. It is important to note that the conversion between customary and metric units can be complex and should be done carefully to avoid errors.